is Daddy. Hi, my name is Daddy. And we're looking at Sian sleeping. Even if he's going to already buy the Nerfland. Here's the Sian. Still sleeping. Sian. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Sian. Look at the armpit. Yummy. Let's just check the Sian. Let's armpit. Smell it. Ugh. Oh my god. So stinky. Oh my goodness. Huh? Look at that. He's opening his eyes. Opens. Stinky breath. Why do you have a stinky breath? Did you brush your teeth now? Oh my god, why do you not have a one? Oh my. Look at that. Oh my. Sian, you need to wake up now. I'm gonna buy the birth gun. They're waiting. You need to drink your milk and take a bath. Faster now. Faster. Oh. Wake up. Cool. And later, Mr. Khalil is going to cry because I'm making him up like this. Oh, yes. Yes, I'm a naughty boy. I don't listen to Daddy. I do whatever I want. My name is Ian. Wake up now. Hey. My name is Ian Khalil.